Hello everyone, I am Manav, and in this video, our fully focus is to learn about the lines and different types of angle. And we also find out that you have to find out any variable mean, any unknown degree in any intersecting lines. Okay, so let's begin with line. What is the meaning of line? Line. Might some people know about that? Okay, so line is like when I think line in my mind, I think a straight line. Okay, like this. Okay, like a straight line. Yes, it's also line, but some people say that the line is like this only. But line means it starts from a point and go to the unless it is end. There is never end of any line. Okay, like this. It's going to miles. Okay, it is going to miles and going. So the line is on a straight thing like this that starts from a point, but go to the. There is no end of the line, so we say line is endless. Okay, but there is another thing that we see in our notebooks, in our books, that is line segment. What is the meaning of line segment? The line segment is also exactly like the line, like it is go to endless. It is endless. Okay, no, it's not endless. There's an end of a line segment. Like I make a point here, and I take this line straight, and then another way like this point, like a dot. So it is the point of the starting point and at the end point. Okay, so you can see that there is the end of this line and there are 2 points. Okay, when there are 2 points and there is the end of the line of any straight thing like this, okay, so it is known as line segment. Wait a second, what's happening to the board? Ray. Might you have studied about the ray in your light chapter, that light travel in a like a ray, okay? And collection of rays are known as beam, okay? Might you have heard this or seen in your notebook? So ray in the line in our mathematics. What we say ray? What is the meaning of ray? Okay? What does that mean? Although we differentiate the line, they are the parts ray, line segment, and the line segment and ray are the parts of the of of our of a line. Okay, they we say a type. Okay. So like this, when I make a point like this, it is not too different from the line segment. Yes. So line go. You are okay. Wait a second. Okay, let's say do like this. Oh, like this. So when there is a point, you can see that this is like a ray, like an arrow. Okay, like an arrow that we see here. Oh, I'll tell you a fact about that. You can see that there is why in the arrows there is like this point. You know about that? Because the air go like this and they go faster. It is the fact about the arrows or and ray. So ray is like this, like this, like this. Huh. There is a thing that we can make from the rays. Yes, line are like vertical and horizontal. What is the meaning of horizontal and vertical? Vertical like this. Okay, like a straight line, like this. Horizontal mean that is lying like this. You can see like this. So from these 2 lines, we can make a thing. Yes, we can make perpendicular. Perpendicular, what is the meaning of perpendicular? For example, I do like this, and I take a line at here, like this, and then I made like this, and there are like this. Okay, not here. this shape we majorly search in mathematical textbooks or in geometry, like this. Okay, you can see that there is like a plus sign. Okay, and there is another thing that we use for a bar graph, mean to calculate, not calculate, to make a data on it. Okay, so to make a perpendicular, we will do a straight line. We will do like this, and perpendicular is ready. Okay, so it is known as perpendicular if you show like this in your exam. So it is what? What? Perpendicular. So from the perpendicular, let's go to far from the lines and intersection of line. What is the meaning of intersection of line? For example, I am having a line like this, and line go here. So you can see that there is an intersection. There is an intersection point, and this is known as what? This is known as what? Vertex. Okay, where this we say intersection point. Okay, when two lines cross like this, they make a multiplication sign. So you can see that there is some cross like this. So this point, okay, so this is an intersection of lines. And after that, many things of this chapter, this topic is on the parallel line of the transverse. Okay, so what is the meaning of parallel line? This line are straight like this, straight, and these lines are never meet or never intersect. Okay, like this. They'll never do like this. Okay. They will go like this only. They'll stay here or going. Okay. So, but they'll never meet. Okay, they will never do intersection. So you can see that like this. You can see like this. So these are the lines. Huh? So this is our parallel line. Parallel line. So let's go to the angles. What is the meaning of angle? Angle mean like we know that the angles are measured in the degrees. Okay, like 36 degree, 44, 43 degree, like this. And you will say that this dot we also use like this on the top to find out the weather to describe our weather, that there is 23 Celsius degrees Celsius, but there is Celsius, and in the degrees there is only this. Okay, like this dot. If you write like this 36, 46, 43, 33, okay, like this. So if you don't make like this a circle, okay, don't do like this as a point. We need make a circle, like this, circle like this. You can see that. These are the circles, okay? So you must draw like this circle when you are describing a weather uh, any degree, okay, in the mathematics, in geometry. So that degree Celsius we used when the two lines intersect. For example, like this. You can see that there are some formation of these degrees. Like this. I have made them equal. Like this and like this, like this, when the two lines intersect like this. So there are some like this point we use. So when you see like this point or this point, okay, like this point, so you get your mind ready to find out the answers of question, because now you get the answer, because we know that when these like things are we see in intersection of any line, so they are what? They are nothing but the degree. Okay, or any angle. Okay. So we are like this intersecting line. They may some. So we not say that all the this like this or like this a circle. If I having this a line straight, so there is also angle. Okay, it's forming. So which is that is 360-degree angle. When I move like this, okay, like this. When the Earth rotates on its axis after 24 hours, it takes 24 hours, okay, on a constant time. So when Earth moves, so it moves 36 degrees, okay. It starts from this point and go here, and then come to that point, okay, like this, okay. So when a straight line is like this, so there is an angle that is known as complete angle. It is 36 degree. Okay. So there are many types of, not many, only some types of angles. So let's learn that. First is acute angle. What is acute angle? If I having like this angle, so you can see there is degree like this, because you can see that they are meeting. There's an intersection. Okay, not intersection, but they are meeting. You can see that they are meet. So it's also angle. They also form an angle. So you can see that there's an angle. So if I having a protector, what is the meaning of protector? A protector is a device, not device. This is like a scale, okay, like this, like a dome shape, okay, like a dome shape. You might have seen these like this protector in the stationery shop, or you might have used this protector in your exams or to solving some questions. So protector is a device or any a scale in a dome shape that to find out that what is the degree, but it is 45 degree any line that intersecting, okay, or 60 degree. It tells us the angle of any object, okay, of intersection line. So when I'm having a triangle, you can see that this is a triangle. So they meet. So due to this, there is the 180 degree of the of our triangle. Okay. So acute angle is lesser than 90 degree, and we know about 90 degree. Okay? I have already told you about that. 90 degree like a straight. When you see in your clock, okay, in your wall clock. So when the 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. is the uh, our clock is on the 3 p.m. Okay, like this. So it forms a right angle, like this. Okay, you can what you have seen like this square, okay, rectangle, like this. Oh, so this is our right angle triangle. And when there is 3, 5 or 3, 10, it is lower than the right angle triangle, and that is acute angle triangle. Okay, it is 45 degree, no, 85 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, we don't know about that, but we can calculate it from a which scale? Protector. So acute angle means lesser than 90 degree. Okay, and after that right angle triangle. We know about the right angle triangle, okay? Like this. I have already told you about that. This thing, like this. This is a right angle triangle. It is not to more than 90 or not lesser than 90. Okay, it is perfect 90, like this. And we don't use in our another like these angles or like these angles. There is like this. We use like a not semicircle, like a circle, like a triangle, but it's not having base. What it has? It is like a small circle, okay? But in right angle triangle, we use like this. And after the right angle triangle, that is obtuse angle. What is the meaning of obtuse angle? The obtuse angle is not proper 90, not lesser than 90, but bigger than 90, and it is into a 180 degree, lesser than 180 degree, but bigger than 90 degree. I'm writing 9. Okay, 90 degree. So for example, I having like this, like you can see that this is obtuse angle triangle. Oh, I'm saying triangle, right? Obtuse angle. So the like this we will use like this circle, okay, to describe it. And you can see that it is not 90. If 90, there will be like this, like a rectangle. Okay, so you can see this is an irregular shape, and this is more than the 90. We don't know about it. It is 110, 20. Huh? We don't know about that. We can find out that through a protractor. And after that, there is straight angle triangle. Or I'm saying straight angle. Okay, what is the meaning of straight angle? That is fully straight. Wait a second. The half of the 360 degrees are 180. So 180 degree. Okay, when it is straight, so it is not too straight. Okay, like this band. That is a straight angle triangle. And after that, reflex angle. Reflex angle is, many people say that it is just too complicated, but it's not too complicated. Okay, like this. Neither it is a straight 90 degree, and no lesser than the 90 degree. Okay, it is more than the 180 degree. Okay, 217, 190, like this. Okay, this is our reflex angle. And after that, there is a complete angle. We have already learned about that. That is 360 degree and a straight line like this. Okay, it is 360 degree. Only 360 degree. So let's move on another step. That is a supplementary angle and complementary angle. So let's begin with the complementary angle. What is the meaning of complementary angle? Complementary angle from complementary, I'm getting complete, huh? But it's not about that. It is not related to complete. So complementary angle is that if we're having two angles like this and like this, so if the angle of the angle of this shape, or it's a not angle, okay, so it is 45. And this is also 45. So when I add this both, when I add these both of these 45 to 45 degree, I get what? 90 degree mean right angle from two acute angle. Okay. So for example, if this is 90 degree, so 90 degree mean that complementary angle is also mean that when we add two angles and we get 90 degree and right angle, so it is known as complementary. It is not supplementary. So after that, supplementary angle. Supplementary angle, you know the twice of the 90 degree? That is 180 degree. Yes. Our supplementary angle tell us that when we add two angles, for example, this is 100. Oh, I'm making like this. Wait a second. Okay, like this. It is 100 and this is 80 degree. So when I add 100 to 80, I get 180 degree. So 180 degree is the supplementary of 180. Okay. So supplementary angle means that when two angles are added to each other, we get 180 degrees. Okay. Not more than 180 degree or not lesser than 180 degree. Exactly 180 degree. Let's go on. And after supplementary and complementary angle, if I having 100, okay, what is it? So like this. Uh, Again we will say like this 80. So we can say that 80 is the supplement of the 100, or 100 is the supplement of the 80. Okay, like this. And it, wait a second. Alright, I am here. Sorry friends. So, and if in the complement, if I having 80 and I having 10. So when I add this both, I get 90 degree, mean it is complementary. So I say 80 is the complement of the 10 and 10 is the complement of 80. Okay? So after that, let's move on to the another thing. Let's go on with the transversal. What is the meaning of transversal? Okay, a transversal is like if I'm having like this two parallel lines. These two parallel lines. So a line comes and intersects. Okay, it intersects through two parallel lines that is here, and one line come and intersect both the lines, and there are some points like this. These are distinct. Okay, but you know about that you are seeing that here it is going on, but they are at different point. Okay, it is at different point and it has different point. You can see that also. Okay. Okay, so like this. So there are some the formation of the angles. Yes, you can see that here, 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 and here, 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 and here. So you can see there are some formation of the angles. So the angles that are at the upper top, okay, at the top, and they are outer from this line. You can see that. So they are exterior angle, okay, exterior angle, okay. What exterior angle? And that are inner part. In the inner part of this transversal, it is known as what we say that. What we say that. We say that interior angle, okay, interior angle. So wait a second. And when this line are not intersected, there is no angle that is here in this both of the parallel line. So when this line come, now there is a formation of eight angles. Okay, so that will be like this. Okay. Oh. this. So we know that the outermost angles are known as exterior angle, and these are also in the outer part of this line. So it is known as exterior angle, and these both that are inner in these lines, so they are known interior angles. Okay. So there's a corresponding in this like this intersection like this. Okay. What is that corresponding? Corresponding. That is when two lines are these, the extra lines, and there is line. Like this. So if you can see that it is at the outermost part, at the outer part of this line. So if there is any matching here, okay, you can see. So yes, you will say like this. You will say this. Okay, we say I believe to 11. This wait a second here. I'm not getting how to draw these angles. Okay, like this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So there is one. So corresponding means the any angle that is at the same straight line at the same direction, and it is exterior. Okay, like it is one. So it is you can see that it is at the outer part of this line. So it is exterior, and there is an exterior. Yes, 7. So we will match it with 7. So we can say 1 is the corresponding of 7, or 7 is the corresponding of 1, because you can see that they are at the same side. Why are not matched with y? Because you can see that it is at inner part, because so it will be our interior angle, and this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle, and they are at the side, so they are known as corresponding. Okay, at the same side. Now if you get confused in this, okay? So let's do another. So this is equal, this is equal. Oh, wait a second. Although they are not too difficult, people get difficult in this. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to match 2 with which number? With 8. Yes, with 8. Why? Because you can see that it is exterior. It is exterior, and this is at one side. This is also you can see that this is a straight line, okay? And they are both exterior. So they will match, and this is the corresponding of this. So let's move on the linear pair. What is the meaning of linear pair? A linear pair means it is also related to the transversal. Wow, how? I tell you. Wait a second. So, for example, yes, if I'm having an angle like this. Oh, I have not tell you one thing that is too important. I forget to tell you that. Sorry friends, that is our adjacent angle. adjacent angle. What is the meaning of adjacent angle? Okay, now you will wonder that. What is that? Okay, what I'm doing? Okay, I'm going on, and I have not tell you the basic of adjacent. Okay, it is also related to the linear equation. Oh, I'm saying equation. Pair. Adjacent adjacent angle is if I'm having an angle like this, and there is another angle like this. Oh, wait a second. Like this. So there is a formation of the angle, and if wait a second. If I make like this, so you can see that there is angle and there is angle. So when the angles are at side by side, like this, there is an angle and there is an angle. So they are adjacent angle. Okay, now clear? Let's move on to the linear pair. Linear pair is linear pair mean having a straight line like this, and like this there's a angle. Okay, you can see that. So there's a formation of angle, and there's another. Okay, so when you can see like this. So there is a formation of a supplementary angle. There is a supplementary angle in linear equation pair, and there is the adjacent angle, and there is one straight line. But like this, only this linear pair is like this. We will go to our questions or numericals on these questions as soon as we will complete all the things. At that point, we will enjoy that point. Right? So let's make a linear pair. If someone say make a linear pair, how will you make? You will take like this angle, or not take like this angle, or another angle like this angle, adjacent angle. Okay, and the supplementary angle and the straight line. Linear equation. But you must draw this straight line here. Okay, this straight line. If it is like this. Okay, like this. So it is not a linear pair. Yes, it is too important. So you must draw a straight line to make a linear pair. Okay, it's too compulsory. So let's go to the intersection part. Now we will enjoy our part. Okay, so if I having two like this, if I cross a line like this and like this, so there's intersection, and we know that when intersection happen, there is a formation of what? There is a formation of what? Yes, you're right. That is our angle. Like this, like this, like this. Okay, you can see that at the point, this is what actually we know about that. So if at this point is 50 degree, so this point, the opposite angle of an angle is itself. Okay, same mean 50 degree. If this is 140 degree, so it is also 140 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. This is our intersection vertical line. Okay, this is intersection vertical line. So let's do a question on this. If this is like this, and this is Z, this is Y, this is no, wait a second. This is 50. So and this is wait a second. And we need to find out this both. So first we know about the 50 degree, and this is our 180 degree. So what we will do? We will minus it with the 50. What we get? 30 degree. So this is our Y is 30 degree. And now we easily get the Z. That is what? Might be you have also get the answer easily of this. That is a 30 degree. Okay? So this is also a question about that. So I hope friends you understand today's concept, and thank you friends.